This video will explain how to use the PlanSwift SimPro integration powered by ZZBots. After you have installed the SimPro plugin in PlanSwift, it will appear in the top right corner of the Home tab. There will be a button for New Item, as well as a button for Send to SimPro. To add an item from SimPro into PlanSwift, click on New Item. On the New Item pop-up, you can find items in SimPro using Catalog, Pre-builds, Favorites, or Recents. In both the Pre-builds and Catalog tabs, you will have the option to sync groups. This syncs the catalog items and pre-build groups that show in the dropdowns for filtering your search. This will only be needed when groups or subgroups have been added or removed from SimPro. You can search for items by group, subgroup, name, or part number. You can also add items into PlanSwift using the Favorites or Recents tabs. When sending an item to PlanSwift, you can choose whether to do the takeoff by area, linear, segment, or count. After you finish doing your takeoff, you can send this data from PlanSwift back to SimPro as a new quote by clicking Send to SimPro. You will be required to assign your items to a cost center if one is not yet selected. In order to send a new quote, you will be required to select the quote type, fill in the quote name, and select the customer and the site. Filling in more inputs is optional. Then click Send New Quote. After your quote is sent, you can view it in SimPro by clicking this link. After you are finished, click Done. After modifying or adding takeoff items, you can update your quote by clicking Send to SimPro. If needed, specify the cost center. Next, open the Update Quote tab. In the dropdown, select the quote that you would like to update. After reviewing the quote, click Update Quote. After your quote is updated, you can view it in SimPro by clicking this link. Once you are finished, click Done. This video has shown you how to add SimPro items into PlanSwift, as well as how to send new and updated quotes from PlanSwift to SimPro.